How to add someone to a conversation on Slack. So I'm going to focus on the left hand side here, and we want to go to direct messages. So from here, after we hover over direct messages, this plus icon will appear and we can just click on here. So after we have clicked, we will select the person that we want to add to our message on Slack, and just by clicking, and it will automatically add them. So from here, if we message somebody, then they will receive this message that we just sent. And also, if we want to add somebody else, then what we have to do is click on the person's icon here, and then you can see this option to add people to this conversation. And we can do, for example, Matt. And if you have a Matt added here, then you can select them and click on next, and you will add them to the conversation. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.